Hello! Today, you can see I'm 10 years old. Well, actually, 1 or 2 weeks ago I turned 10 years old. Well, I'm 10 now, and we are going to show you my surprise in March. One day in March, we're going to show you my surprise for us getting 100 subscribers. We have Sammie and Brooklyn from the camp Cretaceous. And which one are we going to do first? I got this one first, so I'm guessing I got this one on my birthday, and this one came a little after my birthday, so I'm gonna open this one. Now we got them out. Now I just have to cut these to get the dinosaur out. We have a dinosaur. Or we just do this, the easy way, or the hard way, I don't know. Oh my gosh, we got Sammie. Sammie, of course, that's a little, she looks a little interesting. It does look like her from Camp Cretaceous. Well, now we're gonna see the compies. I have two more compies, but they're in green. This one is in green, but it's in a yellowish green, I guess, and it's over here. And at the end, we're gonna scan the dinosaurs. But I don't know if we could scan these. You have to wait like a million years. You have to try to scan them. You can't really see the code, or if there even is a code. I don't know if there's a code. So we have a velociraptor. Very cool. I have 2 more, and I like in a cool shade of gray. It looks nice. I like it. And he's very fun to play with. So now, let's, we're not gonna open this yet. We're gonna save that for the end. Now we can open Brooklyn. Oh, Darius is over here with Bumpy. Now, I have to open this. Now I can't wait to get all of them. Ooh, a Monolophosaurus. Cool, I never had one of these before. Monolophosaurus he's a little smaller than the raptor. Or if you do it like this, he's actually much bigger if you do this. So now, we have Brooklyn and a scooter. Ooh, nice scooter. She could run away from the Monolophosaurus. Try to get her on the scooter. It's hard to get her on the scooter. I'll just put one hand on the scooter. It's too hard to put both. Okay. This is a little... What? Ooh, the scooter works. It looks... Well, she falls down, but if I get her in just the right position, I don't think she would fall down. This is a nice figure. I like it. And dun 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 dun. We have all the campers, but first let me get them set up. We got Brooklyn, Kenji, Ben, Yaz, Sammie, and Darius. It's very hard to get them stand up very quickly. Well, now we have all of them, but that's not all. We're gonna just Let's just move them over for now. Throw the boxes away. Who needs the boxes? Oh, and Bumpy, you can stay over there. We have this. So after 1 million and 10 million years, we finally got the car out. I love it, but oh, the door's open. Wow, we have another thing that I want to show you. It's gonna come in a second. Just have to wait a little. It's coming. It's coming. Sorry, just these dinosaurs around here are super slow. It's coming with a surprise that we've seen before. Actually, I don't think we ever seen it before. We have. Okay, that's close enough. That's close enough. Close enough. Okay. Why is the Scorpius Rex? The Scorpius Rex is on the car. Whatever. We'll put it right here. They're a little different. This one says 12, and this one says 18. But they are both cool, and I love them. Wait. I see why they're both different. The thing's on, but there is another one, I think, that has these things. Well, we have these for today, so. This one's much bigger for Darius, and these ones. And maybe even the Monolophosaurus could drive it. So, this is very cool, and I love the doors that open. But now, we have to scan in the Monolophosaurus. Just give me a second to get the app. Now we have the app. Now we always had the app, but now we got the app to scan them in. Okay. Now, we open the Velociraptors first, so we scan in him first. Ooh. Okay, we got it, finally! Love, because I love the Velociraptor. Ooh. A little different. This one's gray and that one's green. But they're a little different, but they're still the Velociraptors. Velociraptors make nests to lay and brood her eggs. Her hands are flexible like wing bones of a modern bird. The first fossil that was discovered in 1924. She swallows her food in gulps instead of chewing. She has a long, stiff tail. Yes, so those are the facts. Now we could move her. Oh wait, I almost forgot the roar. Very cool. Now let's see the video. It's a long video. Okay. I think that's long enough. That's too long. Ooh, I got another dinosaur. Now, Monolophosaurus. The Monolophosaurus. Got it. These take so long. Ooh. Okay, I guess I love it. Monolophosaurus. Oh, we don't have a video, so we'll just... She is bigger and more dangerous than her cousin, the Dilophosaurus. Unlike the bigger T-Rex, She has 3 finger hands. Medium-sized theropod whose fossils were found in China. She likely prowled lake beds and rivers for small herbivore dinosaurs. A crest runs down her center of the top of her head. Those are facts, some interesting facts, and that's the sound, and you can move him. I think, it's her. Yeah, this is very cool. And if you want to try to, this compy is my favorite because I like how her legs are like this. I don't know, I just like it. So you could try getting the compy's feet to do it, but I don't think he'll be able to do it because maybe you'll need a very small phone. I don't even think you could scan them. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, or Monolophosaurus will come in her Jeep. And she will knock on your door, you'll answer the door, and then she will gobble you up. And then drive away to go to any other people's houses that did not subscribe to Frankie Dines' channel. So, bye! And, it's almost March, so might be seeing some leprechauns. Bye.